Hello and welcome to the introduction video of the course. In this particular video, we will try to understand what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started with it. So a lot of people have confusion between what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we will try to clearly understand what is HTML, what is CSS and JavaScript with some examples. So first of all, let's try to understand what is HTML. So HTML's full form is Hypertext Markup Language. It is the foundation of all websites. So the HTML language is the foundation for each and every website, and all the websites on the internet uses HTML code for providing the structure to the website. So you can see the next point is it is used to create the structure and the content of a web page. So the entire content and the structure of the website is created using HTML code. With HTML, we can create different headings, paragraphs, images, and links. HTML is like a skeleton of a website which gives it a structure and a shape. After HTML, the next point is CSS. The full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet, and it is used to change the appearance of a web page. It allows us to control the layouts, colors, fonts, and other visual elements of a website. We can think of CSS as a skin of a website that gives it the color as well as the style for the website. So HTML is used for structuring the website, providing the different content like images, text, and things like that. And CSS is used to make the appearance of website better by adding different colors and elements into it. After CSS, the next point is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is used to make web pages interactive and dynamic. So using JavaScript, we can create buttons, drop-downs, menus, forms, and pop-up windows. With JavaScript, a website can be more engaging and user-friendly. And we can consider JavaScript as the brain of a website that provides different functionalities and it performs different operations. So I think you got a clear idea of what is HTML, what is CSS and JavaScript, and difference between all of these three languages. In the next slide, you can see here is an example for what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript and difference between them. So HTML is just a skeleton of the website which provides the structure to the website with the help of the text, images and links. After that, we can use CSS to improve the appearance of the website with the help of CSS, and we can provide different colors and add different elements to the appearance of a website. And JavaScript can be used as the brain of the website using which it can perform different functionalities for us. So this is a difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So using this example, I hope you have a clear understanding of what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript used for. Once we are done with this, let's move forward and let's try to understand why web development is considered an evergreen field. Web development is considered as an evergreen field because it is consistently evolving and growing. The internet and the technologies are always changing and new devices and browsers are continuously being developed. There is a high demand for web developers with the rise of mobile and web-based apps. The growing popularity of smartphones and tablets has led to an increase in the need for web developers who can create mobile-friendly websites and apps. After that, let's move to the next slide and try to understand what are the different reasons for web development to be an evergreen field. So one of the reasons for web development is evergreen is that it is closely tied up to the growth of e-commerce, digital marketing and online businesses. So whenever someone wants to start their online business, they need a website. And for making that particular website, they need a web developer to develop the end-to-end website for their particular business. So this is a key reason why web development is considered as an evergreen field, because anyone who wants to start their online business, they need an website. And for fulfilling all these demands for the websites, they need web developers. Web development is a great career choice for those who are interested in technology and enjoy being creative. With the right skills and experience, you can create websites that are both beautiful and functional. So let's try to summarize what all topics we have covered in this particular lesson. So HTML provides the structure and content of a particular website. CSS provides the visual design and JavaScript provides the interactivity. These languages works together to create a website that are both functional and visually appealing. After that, we have taken a look at why web development is considered as an evergreen field. And at last, we have seen that web development is a great career choice for people who are interested in technologies and enjoy being creative. So I think that was it for this particular introduction video on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you have learned a lot from this particular video and you now have a clear idea of what is the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So that was it for this particular video on introduction. Thanks for watching the video.